Pi Network coin. Wow, with Amazon. Pi Network with Amazon. Now, one thing to understand is Pi Network has been accepted by many companies, businesses, malls, especially in Asia. Okay. Now, according to Ejikebas at Ejikebas, he said thanks to at crypto eyes underscore pi. Okay, thanks to at crypto eyes underscore pi, I received a product from at Amazon, bought it one day and received it the next day at 0.30 pi coin. 0.30 pi coin. This is the 12th product trade for pi. Okay, this is the 12th product trade for pi. So what this actually means that he actually bought a product from Amazon with his pi or his or her pi coin. Okay, and that's why saying thanks to crypto eyes underscore pi using 0.30. The product might be small, not a surprise, but at least this shows that something big is coming. Okay, something big is coming. And recently you can see some car dealers, restaurants, especially in South Korea, in China, in Indonesia, are all accepting Pi coin. And I believe, yes, very soon we will see Pi coin. Once this coin fully launch their mainnet, once Pi coin everything is done, you will see this coin will be accepted globally by most companies. It's going to be one of the biggest crypto coins very soon. So for me, Amazon, wow. Well, it's a great thing, it's a great news, but I still believe that yes, Pi Network needs to they need to fasten up what they are doing because people can no longer wait. So the launch of the mainnet, they need to be fast with this because most people can no longer wait. So many people are ready for Pi, and I believe very soon we all will be smiling with Pi coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.